So Sanvi, Aparna, Vinayak, Sneha, Diya, Shravana, Yash, Pranamya, Sanjana, Samriddhi, Tanvi. So everyone, okay, so everyone, good evening. Okay, everyone, good evening. Sagar, Priyanka, Shri Krishna, Suhani, Shraddha, Varun, Amog, Shri Gauri, Priyanka, Aish, then Shadvil, everyone. Okay, so good evening again. Good evening. Then Shri Krishna, Sai Kiran, and everyone else. Okay, I'm sorry if I missed out some of your names. Okay, so good evening all. Good evening all. And you guys have so many questions. Okay, so you are already sending me a lot of questions. So first, let us get answers to these questions. Okay, so firstly, okay, so someone asked, where is it? So Varun is asking about the status of the exams, okay, the CBSE exams, and I also put one picture in the group yesterday. Okay, so yes, of course, we will discuss about that. Okay, we will definitely discuss about that. Do not worry. Okay, so I will definitely tell you what it is. Okay, what is the judgment and how does it affect you? Basically, this is for CBSE. Okay, this is for CBSE students. Okay, and what all chapters we need to focus on and what all chapters will come in the exam. So we will definitely get to know answers to these questions now. Okay, so firstly, I will start today's class with the video. Okay, then we will discuss all these things. Okay, then we'll discuss all these important things. Okay, so first, relax yourself. We have to discuss about the windmills. Okay, so I have to finally conclude the windmills and go to next physics video. So this is about the windmills. Okay, so we're gonna see how owls, okay, inspired the windmills, and after that we have like one more. Okay, so what is that? I'm definitely going to show that, but first we'll finish this windmill. Okay, yesterday I told you about Siemens. Okay, Siemens is kind of extending this technology to windmills, and they are pretty successful. Okay, they're very successful in this concept. So let us see what exactly did Siemens do. Okay, how did they adopt this technology? So we'll see that first, and then we will continue with our class. Okay, so where is it? Okay, 1 second, just
And as a result,
also inform. Some of the school might have informed, some of the schools will take some time and they will inform. So what exactly is going to happen? So from our side, okay, from Avanti side also, as a responsibility, so I should also tell these important things. Okay, so I am also going to tell you what will be your portions. Okay, what will be your portions? Okay, the first thing, okay, so I'll show you the deleted. Okay, I'll show you the deleted topics. Okay, so these are the deleted topics. As you can see the heading, yesterday also I had put this in the WhatsApp group. Okay, in your WhatsApp group also I had put this. As you can see in the deleted portion, first chapter gone. Okay, what we studied no matter in our surroundings. As you can see here, they have eliminated it. Okay, and in some other cases, they have taken some topics out. Everything we will see one by one. Okay, so in the theory portion, the first chapter is gone. first chapter will not be a part of your evaluation process. In the final end exam, first chapter is not there. Okay, first chapter is not there in the final exam. That is what you can see here. Matter in our surroundings not there. Chemistry. Okay, so coming to biology, diversity chapter is not there. Okay, all these are deleted. You see the heading. Okay, so you please open your eyes and carefully see the heading. This is important. You should know. You should know which all topics are coming for our exam. Okay, and what all things you should study. So first, I'll start with this deleted. Okay, I'll start with this deleted topics. Okay, so now first chapter chemistry not there. Okay, then diversity chapter, this is biology not there. Biology chapter not there. Okay, so in physics, okay, in physics the entire sound, okay, the entire sound chapter is removed. Entire sound chapter is removed, not there. In gravitation chapter, okay, in gravitation chapter, full chapter is not there. Full chapter is not there. Okay, only up till your pressure. Okay, up till pressure, that is all your gravitation, then mass versus weight. Okay, only that weight of the moon versus weight of the sun, only till that much. Okay, if you want me to open the textbook and show, I can open the textbook and show, so that you know gravitation chapter till where it will come. Okay, so gravitation chapter, full chapter is not there. So as I'm showing here, this is your textbook. Gravitation full illa. Okay, gravitation chapter only till this much. Okay, where I'll put the page number. Gravitation chapter only till here. Okay, what is this page number? Page number 138. 138. Only till here will be there. This is not there. All this not there. Okay, only till this. That's all. Gravitation chapter. Okay, then coming back. Okay, let us see the other things. Okay, and sound full chapter is not there. Okay, and over here you have this food production removed. Okay, improvement in food resources, the chapter is gone. Okay, and regarding practicals, your school will only tell your science teacher, because that comes under your internal assessments. They will only make all the arrangements and everything. So practicals, your school will only tell what all practicals to be done and all that. Okay, so over here, so you see this chapter, our environment. Okay, so our environment, so this is your internal scale here. Okay, for some project work or something, okay, portfolio and all, your teacher will tell you. Okay, your teacher will tell you what is to be done with this chapter called our environment. Okay, so now what I'll do is that I'll open your textbook and I will mark in your textbook itself, so that you know what is happening. So in your textbook, I'll open the first page, content page. Okay, over here. So you carefully see. This chapter is not there. Okay, which chapter? You know, mark here. This chapter not there. Illa. Removed. Okay, removed. Then this chapter not there. Removed. Okay, that chapter not there. And next, sound. Okay, sound chapter not there. Removed. And gravitation, you just have only till, okay, till the topic pressure. Okay, till the topic pressure, that is page 165. That's all. Okay, full chapter is not there. And this is not there. Okay, that is not there. Okay, so this is your syllabus. Okay, this is your syllabus for CBSE. Okay, this is for CBSE. But on Sunday's major test, you will write our matter in our surroundings, because there are two things. One is for marks, one is for knowledge. Okay, These chapters which are there, of course, for your final board exam, not counted. But there's something called knowledge, because these are basics. If you do not know this, you will not suffer now. Where will you go? You will come to 10th standard. That time you will suffer. Okay. That time you will suffer, or the other topics when it is connected or related now, that time you will suffer. Okay. So hence we have completed the chapter Sunday test. Okay. Sunday test, matter, motion, cell. This is finished, pakka. You will have to write this Avanti test on Sunday. Whatever happens, let it happen. Okay. So for your CBSE exams, matter chapter is not there. But for our Sunday's test, Avanti Sunday's test, these chapters are there. Did you understand? Sunday's test, July 12, 3 chapters are there. Okay. 3 chapters are there for July's test. If you understood what I said, click on the yes icon. Okay. If you understood what I said, click on the yes icon. Okay. Sunday's test, July test, matter is there. Chemistry, matter in our surroundings chapter is there. Motion chapter is there. Cell chapter is there. That's all. Okay. So you see, I have written here Sunday, July 12 test. The chapters have written here. Okay. You see this chapter. That's all. Chapters I have written. This is for Avanti test. Okay. For your 9th standard annual exam, whatever I scratched out here in your index page or contents page, these chapters have been removed. Okay. These chapters have been removed. Your school will also officially send you one circular, or to your parents they will send one notification. You please wait. Okay. But you should know before itself. Okay. Fine. So this is your news. Okay. This is your CBSE's latest news. State syllabus, they have not told anything as of now. Karnataka State Board, they are first of all busy with their SSLC exams. Okay, just now they completed the exam. They will not inform you anything for the next few months. I'm telling you, months. Okay, it will take some time for state people, state syllabus people, State Board, Karnataka State Board to sit together, finalize the curriculum and all that. It will take a lot of time. Okay, this is for CBSE. I repeat, this is for CBSE. State syllabus, your Karnataka State Board will tell you later. Whenever they tell, I will inform. Okay, as of now, they are not in a position to tell anything. They are fully saturated with SSLC. SSLC exam only they completed 3 days ago. When will they correct the papers? When will they tell the results? God only knows. Okay, everything is too much delayed in the state syllabus, State Board. So you please wait. Okay, you please wait. This is for CBSE. If you understood what I said now, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood what I said, you also take down the photo. You also take down the photo. This much only will be your syllabus for your final exam. Final exam, this is the syllabus. Okay, so whatever I have scratched, those topics are not there for your 9th standard final exam. Okay, 9th standard final exam, those topics are not there. Okay, and those who have clicked on no, can I ask, what did you not understand? Okay, what did you not understand? Why have you clicked no? I have told in simple English. What do you want me to do? You want me to come to your home and tell? Okay, I have told no. Whatever I put scratch, those topics illa. Those topics are not there for your 9th standard exam. Those topics have been deleted. Okay, and whatever topics remaining which I did not scratch, those topics will come for your exam. Those topics will come for your exam. Okay, and that is the news for Sunday's test. Avanti Sunday test, matter in our surroundings, motion and cell. Come prepared. Over. End of discussion. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell. Okay, finished, done. So regarding Sunday's test, I will put details, everything in the group. I've already put. Open your WhatsApp and check. Regarding Sunday's test, everything is put in the group. You please check there. Okay, Avanti Sunday's test. Okay, and next, some of you are asking question. Okay, Sikuna is asking, what should we do if they ask these lessons in the unit test? They cannot ask. This is an order from CBSE. Okay, if the school is doing something, put a case in the court. Okay, they cannot ask. This is an official order from the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Okay, MHRD, they have, taken a decision, and every school should follow this. Okay, if they're not following, directly complain. Over, that's all. Ask your school teachers. Your school teachers know, man. School teachers are very papa. They will not do all these unnecessary things. Whatever chapters is there, they will complete that first. Don't take unnecessary tension. Okay, wait for a few more days. Your school will only officially declare everything. Okay, so you focus on what we are teaching now. Okay, cool. So now, coming back to our force and laws of motion, you see force and laws of motion, full is there. Okay, Nesar is asking, are you going to teach the remote chapters? First, we will teach what is coming in the exam. Okay, unfortunately, everybody wants marks. Your parents is very much concerned about marks. First, we will learn what will come in your CBSE final exam. After completing everything, later, after December, after January, we will do these deleted chapters. These deleted chapters are simple chapters, but important chapters. We'll see this after January. Now, we will focus on what CBSE has given the instruction. Okay, cool. So if you have understood everything, okay, so click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood now at least everything, click on the yes icon. This is something that you must be having full clarity. Okay, you cannot ignore this message from CBSE. Every student has the right to know what will come in the exam and what will not come in the exam. Your school will also tell you, don't take tension. Okay, now our topic, force and laws of motion. Okay, so we were doing force and laws of motion. So we almost completed this Newton's third law. Okay, Newton's third law of motion. So yesterday we just wrote this statement. Okay, we just wrote this statement. Okay, so that is third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, this is our statement. Now let us see more about this statement and try to understand. As I said yesterday, we have seen some examples. Okay, we have seen some examples. Today we will look into something more so that we will have more clarity. We'll try to understand more about Newton's third law of motion. Okay, fine. So now I will show some more examples in the form of video, and then we'll again continue the discussion on third law of motion. Okay, so watch this video carefully. There's some very good examples with the labelings, everything. Notice everything carefully. So where is the video? The video is here. Answer. Okay, but I will give credit to the first person who sent the correct answer. Okay, who was first person to send the answer? First person to send the answer is Kunal. Okay, Kunal sent the answer first. Okay, then Mayuresh, Saket, Yash, everyone. Okay, so very good. So as you can see here, when the person, okay, I'm going to do that same diagram. Okay, when the person is jumping from the boat, okay, when the person jumping from the boat, okay, so you may realize that this is our direction. I will do it in different color. So this will be our direction. The boat moves backwards but the person goes forward. Okay, but the person goes forward. So that is for boat. This is for boat, but this is for ship. Okay, so in the case of ship, what is happening? The ship is huge. Okay, the ship is huge. Okay, the ship has more mass. Okay, the ship has more mass. So in this case, mass of ship is more. Okay, hence the ship might move only little, but the man will move too much forward. I'm going to write here. Okay, but the ship will only move little bit backwards. The chotu arrow mark I showed. Mass of ship is more. Mass of ship is more. Remember, mass of ship is more. Hence, little or no movement of ship. Okay, over here, boat moves backwards. Okay, boat moves backwards and the person will move forward. Okay, so what did we understand from this? Okay, so the concept I had already written yesterday only. Okay, you see here, the forces may not produce acceleration of equal magnitude. Okay, because the objects have different mass. Because the objects have different masses. Okay, hence you cannot see the same acceleration. One more example also I will give. One more example. This was a person jumping from the boat. Right here, this was the example of person jumping from boat. Another example, okay, is this. Okay, what is the example? I'm going to show you the example. All of you might have seen these firefighters. Okay, all of you might have seen these firefighters whenever there is a fire. Okay, so in the building, so like this, the firefighters will come. Okay, and they will put water, they'll spray water like this. Okay, all that. So this black color component, what he's holding, that is called hose. HOAC, hose of the pipe or the whatever tube that he is holding. So I'm going to do the same diagram, not as perfect as that. So bacha diagram I'll draw. Okay, I'm going to write here firefighter. So this is my simple diagram. So this is the firefighter. Okay. Simple diagram. I'm not that good at drawing, man. So you please excuse me. This is the pipe, and this is his handle. A green color is the handle. Just assume. Okay, and say water coming. Water is coming. Lot of force. And here is our building, and building is on fire. Building is on fire like this. Okay, and he's putting water. Okay, good guy. This is his cap. Firefighter. It's a uniform. Firefighter. Okay, cool. So now over here, what happens is that this water is coming with very high pressure. Okay, high pressure water is coming. Okay, so now when water is being released with such high pressure, the person will find it difficult to hold the hose. Okay, so the person will actually, what will happen to him is that, okay, so he will experience a recoil. Okay, I will use some, which color? White color. Okay, so there will be a recoil or the backward. Okay, he will find it difficult to hold the hose. Okay, and there will be some backward force on this person, firefighter. Okay, so this is another example, and in the video also they showed a very perfect example of a gun. assume this is a gun. Okay, that is a gun and a bullet is fired. That is not water. Blue color is bullet. Okay, now the bullet went forward. The gun will also experience a backward, backward direction force, that is called as recoil. Okay, I'm going to write here, this is recoil of the gun. Okay, so this is bullet moving forward. Okay, this is recoil of gun. Okay, so recoil of gun. Okay, so all these are our examples of force which are there in pairs, that is action reaction. Okay, one important thing I will tell. Okay, this is for your extra knowledge, so please note, for action reaction pair of forces, the forces should be of same nature. Okay, the forces should be of same nature. Okay, what do I mean by this statement? You cannot intermix the forces. For example, I cannot have gravitation force versus frictional force. Not happening. Gravitational force is a non-contact force. Frictional force is a contact force. Over here, we should have same nature of forces. If it is contact force is there, then the another force should also be contact force. I cannot have one gravitational force and one frictional force. Not happening. Okay, so this is one additional point. In the competitive exams, if you come across, then when we do this foundation, that time we'll take care of this SAT extra advanced questions. Okay, now just remember what is this. You'll understand when we solve some competitive level exams. CBSE school exams, they will never ask what is there in textbook, that much only. Okay, fine. So these are some more examples of our Newton's third law of motion. Okay, so if you understood this examples, okay, if you understood these examples, okay, you can please click on the yes icon. Okay, and as I said, please after the class just read this once. Okay, you just got to understand the logic, that's all. Okay, it will take less time. You please after the class just read it once. Okay, cool. So with all this idea, we're gonna end the chapter with this amazing principle. Okay, that is law of conservation of momentum. Okay, law of conservation of momentum. So as I said, Newton is genius. Okay, so Newton is genius. So when he was finding the like laws for mechanics, all moving objects for mechanics, okay, so he didn't even leave anything incomplete. Everything was complete. Using all these laws, you can explain most of the stuff. Subatomic particles you cannot explain. Okay, Newton's laws of mechanics fails miserably for subatomic particles. For that we have something called quantum mechanics. Okay, for that we have something called quantum mechanics. If you want, I will write one note here. Okay, all this Newton's mechanics is only applicable for macroscopic objects. Okay, for microscopic objects, full flop. Okay, Newton's mechanics flop only. Okay, so I'm going to write here note. Okay, Newton's mechanics or the laws is applicable to macroscopic objects only. Okay, wait, so I'm going to just Newton's laws or this laws of mechanics. Newton's laws or the laws of mechanics is applicable to macroscopic objects. Okay, I hope you know what you mean by macroscopic. Means all the big objects. Okay, only. right here, Newton's laws of mechanics fails. Okay, it fails miserably for microscopic objects or microscopic particles. Okay, microscopic objects or microscopic particles. Okay, so now the best thing is the quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the ultra deluxe law applicable to everything. Okay, you can solve all majority of physics you can solve using quantum mechanics. Okay, the solution to all this is quantum mechanics. Okay, is the answer for everything. Okay, quantum mechanics. So QUA. Yeah. Okay, so quantum mechanics is applicable for both microscopic as well as macroscopic. Okay, it is beautiful, which you will not understand, because even in 11th and 12th standard also they just have only the basics of quantum mechanics, so advanced that you will not even realize its importance there. When you go to engineering or other professional courses, at that time you will understand about quantums in detail. Okay, because it's just amazing. Okay, it's too amazing. So that is a general picture. Okay, don't think that Newton's mechanics is wonderful. Quantum mechanics is better than Newton's mechanics. Okay, but of course whatever Newton did some 300 years ago, that's fantastic. Okay, now so the next thing, okay, what we'll be doing is our law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. Okay, so we will just today just start. Okay, so we'll just today start this conservation of momentum. We will do the derivation, everything in the next class. Okay, so I want to just start this topic with this wonderful video. Okay, notice what is happening, and using this I will explain. This is sufficient. Okay, so we just want to focus on the collision part. So over here you saw so many collisions took place. Okay, so where they made cars collide. Okay, the old car versus the modern car. So you may think that this is a waste of time, energy, money, okay, as well as the resource, but it is not. Okay, so all this testing, car crash testing, is a very important field, okay, in safety and research. So when I was also there in Mercedes-Benz, so they constantly do all this because they want to evolve. Okay, safety of the passenger is the utmost priority of every car company. Okay, so in these collisions they will learn, they will understand how to save the driver, how to save the passengers. Okay, so the like development of airbags nowadays, not even airbags, they even have side bags also. Okay, even the doors handle part, they have side bags. Of course it's for all expensive cars and all. You buy Maruti 800 Alto or something and you can't expect it to have so many features, or Tata Nano. Okay, it is dependent on the price value also. Okay, if you go for some high-end cars, okay, so like all this Skoda or Benz or something, okay, so or Honda, so high-end cars more than 20 lakhs or 15 lakhs. So such cars, they have extra level of premium safety. Okay, so all these tests will be useful for them to design the best safety as much as possible. Okay, so nowadays we even have new technologies for safety of the passengers or the driver. Okay, so all these tests are going to be important. Okay, so now in this law of conservation of momentum, we are looking into the part of collision. Okay, when objects collide, when they interact with each other, what will happen? So as I said, Newton is genius. Okay, so he also told okay, what should you do, or how will we solve problems, okay, so regarding the collisions, okay. But of course there is one condition over here, okay. So what is the condition? Everything we will learn in this topic, okay, that is law of conservation of momentum. So I'm going to write here, so where we are learning basically about collisions, okay. So when objects interact, it might be head-on interaction, or it might be hitting from the backward also, okay. Collision is a collision. This is head-on, okay. Head-on collision is like this, okay. So another type of collision is backward. The object was going and this guy came from behind and hit, okay. So that is backward collision. This is head-on collision. Any type of collision, okay, comes under this conservation of momentum itself, okay. So what exactly is happening here? I'll just today write the statements only, okay. Tomorrow we're going to discuss more about this, okay. We have to derive. We again have one more derivation, very important and very simple, okay, very simple and easy. So the first statement says the total momentum, okay, the total momentum remains conserved, okay. The total momentum remains conserved or unchanged. What is the meaning of this statement also I will write, okay. Everything I will write. You please have patience. Over here the condition is no external force, no external force is present, okay. We are not considering any external force at all in this law of conservation of momentum. That is the most important condition. If we include external force, then this is not applicable, okay. This principle or this law does not hold valid if you include external force. External force absent, it is not there, no external force, okay. Fine. So what is the meaning of the statement that I wrote in that I wrote in brown color, okay. The meaning is the total momentum, okay, the total momentum of objects, the total momentum of objects before collision, okay, before collision is equal to the total momentum of objects after collision, okay, after collision. That's all, okay. So there are various laws which is depending on conservation. You have law of conservation of mass, you have law of conservation of energy, okay. You also have this law of conservation of momentum. So where before collision, the momentum, the total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. That's all. So if you want in simple words, I'm going to write in simple words also. Total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision, okay. Total momentum after collision. Before collision is equal to after collision, okay. So you must have seen many ads or photos before, after, okay. If you haven't seen, then you should see, okay. I have a lot of fun, man, whenever they show such images, okay, in the advertisements, before using Fair and Lovely, after using Fair and Lovely, or before weight loss transformation, after weight loss transformation. So this is fantastic, okay. Before and after, okay, images, okay. So very nice. So here you have before and after, okay. Before plastic surgery, after plastic surgery, okay. And next, what else we have? This is very good, man, okay. Before gym, after gym, okay. I don't know how much is true, okay, whether did they do Photoshop or something, but totally motivating, okay, inspiring thing, okay. Great set of body, whatever it is. Before, after, before, after, Okay, so over here in our law of conservation, before, after, both same. Okay, before, after, both same only. Okay, no changes, no change. You see here, I have written is conserved. Okay, is conserved or unchanged. Before also same, after also same, forever is also same. No change. Momentum, total momentum is always gonna be conserved. Okay, this is only our logic. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn in detail about the derivation part and everything. So I'll just write the formula and stop. Okay, I'll write the formula and stop. This is our formula. Okay, so this is our formula. So what is this? How to derive this? All we will learn in tomorrow's class. Okay, we'll learn in tomorrow's class. Okay, fine. So this is the new topic that we started today, law of conservation of momentum. Only two statements we wrote. The total momentum remains conserved or unchanged. Look at the condition. The external force illa. No external force. Remember, no external, very important, no external force. Okay. The next statement we wrote, total momentum of the objects before collision is equal to total momentum of objects after collision. Okay, that is before is equal to after. Same. Everything same. So derivation we'll see in tomorrow's class. Okay, so now we have 10 more minutes, 5 minutes for Kahoot, 5 minutes for story. Okay, so that you are happy. Now quickly take your mobile, type www.kahoot.it. So I have already loaded the quiz. Okay, so everything is ready. You just have to enter the number and join the quiz. Okay, so now I'm going to share my laptop screen. So on your screen now, you will see the number. Okay, enter this and join. Okay, enter this and join the quiz. Okay, so join fast. Okay, so last 10 seconds. Okay, so please join fast. Okay, cool. So I think everyone has joined. Okay, those who couldn't join, so please join quickly. Okay, on your screen, question number 1, easy question, simple. Okay, based on what we just did now, that is conservation of momentum, law of conservation of momentum. Simple, only based on statements. I just want to check if you know the statements. So first to question. So read the question and type the answer. So in law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum remains dash. You have to type the answer, fill in the blanks. Okay, if you do not know, look at the notes. You just now wrote the notes, look at the notes, that's more than sufficient. Okay, fast, last 5 seconds. Okay, so last 5 seconds. And the time up. And time up. Time up. So let us see if you got this correct. Okay, very simple, easy question, man. So we just wrote the statement just now. Okay, let us see how many of you got correct. Oh, only so many. Okay. Okay, not bad. So just make sure you write the same words. Okay, write the same words. Oh, so next question. Next question. True or false? True or false? Read the question and select the answer. Okay, so many of you got it correct. So good. No force, no external force is included. Okay. Law of conservation of momentum, you cannot include any external force. Okay. This happens in an isolated system. Okay. So last question. The total momentum of objects before collision is dash to the total momentum after collision. You just have to type the correct answer. Okay, last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. And time up. And time up. So let us see if you got this correct. Okay, so very nice. Got it correct, many of you. Okay, so with that, we come to the end of this quiz. Okay, third position, we have Ashutosh. So second position, so we have Bharat. Then winner of today's quiz. Okay, so winner of today's quiz. Okay, Smalvika. Okay, so congratulations all. Congratulations. Fourth position, Dia. Fifth position, Sandesh. Okay, so fantastic. So congratulations. If you're not there in the top 5, so don't worry, keep trying. Okay, so maybe some or the other day, you'll definitely be there on the top 5. Okay, so real quick. So we still have time. Okay, we still have time. So let's just quickly run back to the story. Okay, can someone tell real fast? Where did I stop? Where did I stop the story? Bega, fast. So that we can continue from there. Okay, so where did we stop the story? So I'm going to go back and check it out. Okay, this story is just getting too much intense. Okay, fine. So as I told, okay, so they all made a plan. Okay, so they sat in the circle. H, okay, H initiated. Okay, H initiated the the procedure, whatever is there. They started calling the spirits. Okay, H came fully prepared. Okay, he had belief. He wanted to know the truth desperately. Out of all the people, H was too much concerned. Okay, now so when he did the process and all, there's a lot of protocol and all you should follow. Okay, that I will not tell. Okay, that you shouldn't know. That and all is not good. Okay, so anyway, H did all those things. Okay, so started calling the spirits and all. Okay, so he started with the first spirit, that is the fan guy. Okay, so he did not respond. He did not get response. Okay, then they started with the second spirit. Okay, the second spirit. Who was the second spirit? Who was the second spirit? How did the second person die? How did the second person die? You can type and send second person. How did the second person was accident guy. Okay, so road accident guy. Okay, road accident guy also no response. Okay, road accident guy also no response. Okay, now of all these people who are sitting with all their hand like this expecting something to happen, when they saw that nothing happened, so all those friends and all, they started to give up. They say, hey macha, nothing happened, all this is fake, nothing, it doesn't work and all those. So they were ready to give up, they're ready to stop. Okay, but this H guy, worst fellow, was not ready to accept at all. Okay, he said, no, we'll try for another half an hour. If it doesn't work, we'll stop. So like that, with lot of force, lot of stubborn. Okay, so he finally went for the third spirit. Okay, finally went for the third spirit. And third spirit, what happened? Third spirit, yes. Okay, the third spirit responded. Who was the third spirit? The beach. Okay, beach guy. Okay, beach guy. So there was response from the third spirit. So how do you detect the response? How do you detect the response? So I'm going to show you now. Okay, so in the board, okay, as I keep showing you, so there is some middle. Okay, in the middle they'll be having this marker or pointer, whatever you call that. It starts to move. It starts to move. Okay, so you have to ask questions and this will move. Okay, this will move on its own. On its own. Okay, it will move on its own and it will respond. Okay, it will respond what the spirit is trying to say. This is what people say. I haven't done. I am Papa. Okay, I am innocent. I don't do such things. Okay, this is what they have said and I have heard, which I'm telling you. That's all. Okay, so it will move. Okay, this will move. Pointer will move. You should ask simple, easy yes or no type of questions. Okay, you cannot ask, hey, Macha, what did you have for breakfast? Okay, like that you cannot. Hey, what is your father's name? Like that you cannot. Simple, easy, yes or no type of questions you can ask. Okay, so anyway, H had come prepared with a list of questions. Okay, so he knew what to ask, what not to ask. Started with basic questions. Okay, basic first question. Did you live in NITK hostel block 1? Okay, did you live in NITK hostel block 1? Okay, so this pointer went to yes. Okay, this pointer went to yes. Okay, now all of them were super scared. All of them super scared. Okay, I can still continue, but Saket says that it is time up and I have to leave. Okay, so it's 5:45. It's 5:45. I wish I could continue. Okay, if you allow me to continue, I'll continue. Or else you want me to continue tomorrow, I can continue tomorrow. Okay, so choice is yours. Okay, but anyways, so some of you are telling not to continue. So 5:45. I'm going to wind up now. Okay, so Mohit sir is already here. I think sir will also, take the time. Okay, so I'm going to end now. Okay, so I'm sorry. Like I wanted to continue, but you people don't want. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I'm cool with that. Okay, I thought you would be interested. Okay, anyways, fine. So I'm going to end the class with this. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Thank you. So over to Mohit sir. Over to Mohit sir. So sir will continue the class. Okay, thank you.